Will these affordable replacement toothbrush heads really fit on your Philips Sonicare toothbrush? Let's find out together. My current toothbrush head is getting old, so just like anyone else, I looked online and these were the most affordable toothbrush heads that I could find that still had good reviews. So real quick, we're gonna open one of these up, see if it fits properly on the toothbrush, take a close look at the bristles, and then I'm going to test it out and give you my honest opinion on how it feels on my teeth. Here we go. Looks promising. Here we go. Nice. Okay, that snapped in perfectly. Small detail, but I did notice that the cap at the back has this slit over here, and it does appear to be made out of slightly cheaper quality plastic. My Philips Sonicare toothbrush came with a cleaning station attached to a charger, so personally, I don't use these toothbrush caps when I'm at home. But if you do use these toothbrush caps, or you like to use them when you travel like me, then I would recommend keeping the cap from your original toothbrush head as well. Taking a close look at the bristles, they do look really soft and intact on the toothbrush head. So I think it looks pretty promising. We're gonna go ahead and test it on my teeth. All right, I would say that was a pretty great brushing experience. The bristles were really soft in my mouth. It felt very similar to the original Philips Sonicare toothbrush head, and it stayed on the entire time without any issues, so I'd call that a win. So if you're looking for an affordable replacement brush head for your Philips Sonicare toothbrush that feels great and gets the job done, pick up a set of these for yourself today, and you're gonna be set.